Hello again, it's Bertie with Drench-Mate. Here at Drench-Mate, we're always looking at ways to save our customers money. Our latest project is the pump and lid assembly. It's part number 11021. As you can see, it's a pretty bulky piece of equipment here. It requires a fairly large box, which costs quite a bit in shipping. So what we decided to do is to make this suction pipe detachable. What we've got is a blue tape that's at the top of the suction pipe. We want you to grab the pump and lid assembly, and we want you to put that suction pipe all the way up to the top of the blue tape. And then what we want you to do is make sure that the beveled end at the bottom of the suction pipe is pointing to the outside of the bucket. The reason for that being is that when you tilt the bucket and start pumping at the end, you're going to make sure that you have all the fluid out of the bottom of the bucket. So you can see if this is detachable, instead of having this large box, we can now put that in quite a bit smaller box, thus saving you quite a bit on shipping. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.